In today's video, I will walk you through how to find altcoins using CoinMarketCap. To start, use the altcoin season meter available on CoinMarketCap. Check the meter to see the current direction of the market and whether the focus is moving toward Bitcoin or altcoins. Click on the meter to view more details, including historical data from previous days and weeks. Review the altcoin index, the current trend, and the graph showing how altcoin season has changed over time. Next, go to the CoinMarketCap home screen and focus on the altcoin data. Select the 24-hour filter to view the coins that have recently moved significantly. Check the top-performing coins, but do not focus only on the coins that have already increased. Instead, review the categories and patterns behind these movements. Look at the coins that are performing well and identify the categories they belong to. If multiple coins from the same category are moving, note that category for further research. Review areas such as meme coins, blockchain-based coins, mid-cap coins, and other categories showing movement. After that, move to the Categories section. Hover over cryptocurrencies at the top of CoinMarketCap and click on Categories. Review which categories are currently performing well. Compare the category performance and check the average price changes. Use this information to identify categories with stronger overall performance. Once you have reviewed the categories, focus on the ones showing better growth. Avoid selecting categories that are currently showing weak overall performance. Use the category data to narrow down the coins you want to research. Now, select a category and use the available filters. Choose either the 24-hour or 7-day filter depending on your research period. For a longer holding period, select the 7-day filter. Sort the results and look for coins showing steady growth instead of coins that have already made a large move. Check the average return of the category and compare individual coins against that average. Focus on mid-cap coins that are performing below the category average but still showing positive movement. Look for coins within a reasonable growth range and review their market capitalization. To check mid-cap coins, compare their market cap values and identify coins that fit the criteria. Review coins that have enough market size and have shown steady performance within the selected category. Select a few coins from the list that match your criteria. Compare their category performance, recent returns, and market capitalization before continuing your research. This process helps you filter through many altcoins and focus on a smaller group of coins for further analysis. You can then continue reviewing the selected coins using your preferred analysis methods before making a final decision. Thank you for watching.